Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today, we will begin lesson number 13 Simple Present and Present Continuous Tenses. Students, in the previous recording, I have taught you about articles, which is lesson number 11. But we are not going to continue that chapter because I have told by the students that chapter, lesson number 11, is already complete and it was completed by Ganga ma'am in previous term. So today we'll begin lesson number 13 simple present and present continuous tenses. So in this chapter we'll learn about the simple present and present continuous form of tenses. So let us begin it. Look at the following pictures and answer the questions in complete sentences. Now you can see there are two pictures given. You have to write what can you see in this picture. Now in the first picture, what does the girl do? What is the girl doing in the first picture? The girl is washing hands. So write it in the blank which is given there. The girl is washing hands. Now what is the boy doing? In second picture, what is the boy doing? The boy is climbing on the tree. The sentences that you wrote tell us what is happening right now. Now the sentences which you have written here, they tell us what is happening right now. They are in the present tense. So the action which is happening right now, such as I am teaching you, this is happening right now, right? So it is present tense. Now read these sentences. I keep the jug on the table. The baby sleeps in its cot. I cook dinner every Tuesday. She plays with her dolls in the evening. Now in these sentences, you can see these sentences talk about facts in the present. These sentences talk about the facts, means these actions happen now. Nowadays these actions are happening. They are the fact that I keep the jug on the table. This is I keep it. This is a fact, right? The baby sleeps in its cot. The baby sleeps in its cot. So it is also a fact that the baby sleeps in its cot. Nowadays also it is sleeping in its cot. So it is a fact. All this is in present tense. Now sentences 3 and 4 talk about things that happen regularly. I cook dinner every Tuesday. She plays with her doll in the evening. So now in these two sentences, these actions happen every Tuesday and every evening. What do you find it? That these actions, such as I cook dinner every Tuesday, that every कमिंग ट्यूसडे, हर ट्यूसडे को मैं खाना बनाती हूँ. सो दिस एक्शन इज रिपीटेड. ये रेगुलर एक्शन है. ये मैं हर ट्यूसडे को करती हूँ कि मैं खाना बनाती हूँ. शी प्लेज विद हर डॉल्स इन द इवनिंग. वो शाम को अपनी गुड़ियों के साथ खेलती है. तो ये क्या है? रेगुलर एक्शन है. ये काम वो रोज करती है कि रोज शाम को वो अपनी गुड़ियों के साथ खेलती है. सो actions which happen regularly are simple present tense. Okay, the verbs keeps, helps, sleeps, cook and plays are in the simple present tense. So these sentences which are highlighted here, the words which are highlighted such as keep, sleeps, cook, plays, they are in simple present tense. We often use time words like in the evening, every Tuesday, usually, always, every day with the present tense. And with present tense, we often use evening and every Tuesday or any day's name or usually, always or every day to make a sentence in simple present tense, and these words are called time words. Evening, every Tuesday, usually, always, these are time words, okay, because they are telling the time of the action. Now the simple present tense talks about an action that takes place in the present moment. What does it tell us about? It tells us about the action which takes place in the present moment, such as I teach you, I am teaching you. So this is happening right now, right? That I am teaching you. This action is happening right now in present moment. So it is in present tense. Okay. We often add s or es to the base form of the verb to form the simple present tense. In simple present tense, we add s or es to the base form of the word. What is the difference between simple present tense and present continuous tense? Simple present tense talk about the action which are regular and repeated, such as जैसे कि I wake up in the morning. मैं रोज सुबह उठती हूँ, मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ. I brush my teeth. I go to school. I come back to my home. So this action happen regularly and repeatedly. ये काम daily होता है, right? कि मैं रोज सुबह जल्दी उठती हूँ, फिर मैं ब्रश करती हूँ, then I go to school. These actions happen regularly and repeatedly. So this is in simple present tense, whereas in present continuous tense we will add ing. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस बताता है. कॉन्टिन्यूस मीन्स जो काम चल रहा होता है, जैसे कि मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ, राइट. सो ये मैं अभी कर रही हूँ, ये काम चल रहा है. इट इज कॉल्ड प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. सो लेट अस फर्स्ट लर्न अबाउट सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस वी एड एस और ई एस टू द base form of the verb. And simple present tense we use the simple present tense to form questions. We also use it to form negative sentences by adding do not, does not before the verb. In simple present tense, we use does not or do not to make sentences in negative form. And how do we make questions? We always make question by adding by beginning the question with do or does. We will write do or does, and then we will ask the question in simple present tense. Now you can see on page number 58, the table shows the forms of the simple present tense. It also shows how the simple present tense can be written in negative sentences and questions. So students, you have to remember it that whenever we have to make any sentence in negative, we will write not in it. If there is not in any sentence, it will be a negative sentence. Okay, so not makes a sentence negative, whether it is a whether it is a present tense or past tense or future tense. If not is there, that means the sentence is negative. Now you can see the table which is given there on page number 58. Simple present. Now these are the sentences in simple present tense. First is simple present, and then simple present tense negative sentence, and then questions in simple present tense. Now the first one is I eat cake, and you can see here only the first form of the verb is used here, eat. We have not used eaten or ate or any other word. We've just used eat here. So in simple present tense we use the base form of the verb, which is eat. I eat cake or you eat cake. And the same sentence, if we will change into a negative sentence, then we add not to it and it will become I do not eat cake. Okay, because not is here, that's why this sentence becomes negative. Now we'll have to ask a question. How will you ask it? Do you eat cake or do I eat cake? So this is question. This is question in simple present tense. Now next one you can see he eats cake. Now the negative will be he does not eat cake, and the question will be does he eat cake? Okay, does he eat cake? Now this is how you write the sentences in simple present tense. This is covered in detail in the chapter kinds of sentences. Look at these sentences. I am cooking. She is playing with her dolls. They are going for a film. He is climbing the stairs. In these sentences, talk about actions that are happening right now. The verbs am cooking, is playing, are going, and is climbing are in the present tense. So in all these sentences, you can see am, is, and are is used plus ing. So to make a sentence into present continuous tense, we always use is, am, are to make the sentence into present form, and ing to tell that it is in present continuous form. The action which is happening right now, the action which is happening at the time of speaking is called present continuous tense. Such as I am speaking right now. What am I doing right now? I am teaching you. So teaching, I have added ing to teach, to the word teach, and I have used am with I. So this sentence is in present continuous tense. So in present continuous tense, we talk about the actions which are happening right now at present moment. Okay. Now you can see there is a table given. This is in present continuous tense. I am writing a story. If we will add not to it, it will become a negative sentence, and I am not writing a story. And if we'll have to change this sentence into interrogative sentence, that means question, then we'll write, am I writing a story? Now the exercises of this chapter we'll do in our next class. Take care. Bye bye.